Joining us now for more on this is criminal defense attorney Sarah Azari. Sarah, great to have you here. You and I have been talking about this case a lot. Elizabeth Holmes said one of the main reasons she should be allowed to remain free on appeal is that she has a baby and a 1-year-old. It's worth noting 60% of women in prison today are mothers.
Yeah, Elizabeth, you know, I can't tell you how many of my clients are mothers of young children or pregnant during the course of their case. But this was really presumptuous of her because she had both of these pregnancies occurred during the course of her open pending charges, one of them while she was waiting for sentencing. So to me, it was very presumptuous that she thought, you know, she's going to be not guilty or she's not going to be sentenced to prison time, having not just one child but two. And you know, I think I've had clients with terminal illness being sent to prison, federal prison.
Right.
So clearly, you know, pregnancy is not a mitigating factor.
No, and to put a point on that, she got pregnant after she was convicted. She knew she was facing a lengthy prison term. You know, her co-defendant, Sunny Balwani, who helped run Theranos, was also convicted of many counts of fraud, is already in prison. His bid to remain free in appeal also denied. Why did she think she would be different?
Well, I think it's worth a try because the factors that go to whether you get an appeal bond is basically if you're a flight risk, if you're a danger to the community, which Judge Davila, who I've been before many times, said she's not. The issue was the likelihood of her success on appeal. And clearly, while I'm not saying she's going to lose this appeal necessarily, it wasn't a winnable appeal with flying colors. So that's why the Ninth Circuit also denied her being out on bond. So she is going to report to this prison in Texas. We only have one federal prison camp in California, Dublin, and even though statistically there are less women being incarcerated than men, I mean, there's only so many women we can fit in this one facility.
Right.
So she is sent to this facility, and it's sort of like a Martha Stewart kind of camp where also the Real Housewife of Utah, Jen Shaw, is serving her time. So she'll have a lot of privileges.
I don't know how you pulled that factoid out of thin air. All right, Sarah. She's supposed to report to prison on May 1st in Texas. We'll see what happens. Thanks so much for being here tonight. Coming up, East Palestine residents are